incredibly sorry that I've been gone for so long. I had an infection in my mouth on this side because one of my wisdom teeth grew in wrong, so I had to get 2 of my wisdom teeth removed, so that's why I haven't been making videos, and because it's been raining constantly here in South Carolina, so the lighting hasn't really been working so well for me, so I'm sorry it's been so long since I posted a new video, but today's video is going to be a very late July favorites. I am so sorry, please forgive me. First, we're going to start out with makeup. So the first product I'm going to show you is the oh so popular Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Back in love with this. I used to use it a while ago and I stopped because I was trying out some new powders, but I keep going back to this and picking it up because it keeps me matte because I am very, very oily, and it doesn't cake up on top of my foundation. It's just awesome, and I am in the color Buff Beige. Well, this one is Buff Beige. I bought a deeper color because this one makes me look a little too ghostly, but I didn't really know how to pick my correct shade back when I first started using makeup, and that's how old this is. So yeah, I have been loving this. Next, I have also fallen back in love with my Revlon, if you can see it. The lighting is not so good, but the Revlon Color Stay Foundation. This is for oily skin, of course, because I am major oil up in here. And this is in the color Ivory. Again, didn't know how to pick my shade. It makes me look a little too pale, but you know, I just love this. Today I went on a job interview this morning and I had to walk around and it's like 100 degrees outside and I was just profusely sweating, and this did not budge. And I used this with the Rimmel Stay Matte on top of it, and this combo is just, oh, it just works so well for me. So I've fallen back in love with this. Here we have the Voluminous Miss Mangum mascara. This is just the black. I heard about this from It's Blondie, Casey. She's one of my ultimate fave YouTubers ever, and I just love her. She's so gorgeous. I have this on my lashes today, and I kind of like the whole spidery sort of clumpy. I like my lashes very thick and very big because I have long lashes to begin with, so if I can make them even more big, been doing it for me. Awesome, drugstore, affordable, just, oh, love it. Okay, next, can we just talk about, I finally jumped on the Anastasia Beverly Hills train because my eyebrows have been so much easier to do with these 2 products right here. Holy jeez. I'm just in love. Brow gel I was using before was from BH Cosmetics, but I really, really liked it, don't get me wrong. I sweat so much and I'm so oily sometimes. Brows fading, and that's totally not okay. It is profusely hot here, so these products have saved my freaking brows, let me tell you. I have the Dip Brow Pomade in chocolate, and this is gonna last me forever. Look how much. I have barely even touched this, and I've used it at least 5 times by now. And it keeps my brows on, it doesn't budge. It's just, I am so in love with this. And then I set it with the tinted brow gel, also in chocolate. And it just sets my brows the way I want them, and they do not move. My goodness, I am just in love with these Anastasia Beverly Hills. I want to get the contour kit so bad, but it's always been sold out, so having a problem with that. I have a palette that I have been loving. This is the Reveal 2 from Coastal Scents. This palette is amazing. Almost every shadow in the Naked 3 is in this palette. These colors are so freaking pigmented and they don't move. They're so blendable. You don't even have to take that much on your brush, and it's so pigmented. Fallout, they're so pigmented, and they're so creamy and blendable. Oh my goodness. And this palette was like 20 bucks. So I paid over $50 for the Naked 3, and this is 20 bucks. And look how many shadows you get in here. It's just unbelievable. It's so gorgeous. I so recommend picking this palette up. I'm in love. And the last thing is this little brush kit from BH Cosmetics. It's sort of brand new, but it came out, I think, last month. And then when a moment I saw it and it was on sale when it came out, I had to pick it up because, number one, the whole thing is purple. The case is purple, the brushes are purple. Purple is just my favorite color of life. Everything I own must be purple. So these are the brushes right here. Shed, and they're just, the bristles are so soft and they just blend your products so beautifully, especially these brow brushes I've been using over here. They're just wonderful. It is so incredibly affordable, so if you can pick this up, and if you're just starting out with makeup and you need some brushes, I totally recommend this because you'll have pretty much everything you would need in this kit. Okay, so that is all of my makeup favorites. Now let's see. I have two skincare items. The first is the L'Oreal Youth Code Texture Perfector. I've been loving this. Okay, I put this on at night after I take a shower. I don't use it in the morning just because I want to put it on at night so it stays on my face and it does what it's supposed to do. And this stuff makes your skin so smooth and it feels like your skin is tighter. And it just like, I got a pimple right up here. It just happened overnight because that's me, you know, I'm acne prone. I get acne out of nowhere. It's on my face, and the next morning I woke up, the pimple was pretty much gone. Specifically for acne, but it smooths out your skin and makes your skin so firm and just, ugh, I love this. It is pretty pricey for a drugstore item. It is 20 bucks for this little thing, but you only need a pump for your whole face, so this should go a long way for you. And I would totally repurchase this because I love it. And the other skincare item is this Neutrogena Rapid Clear Acne Defense Face Lotion. And it has salicylic acid in it. And it's oil. Very, very nice. It's light on my face. It doesn't burn. You only need a tiny bit. And you only need to dab it on the places where you break out a lot. It's on in the morning so that the entire day it's on my face and it's fighting against that acne. It's just very light and nice. It's like kind of like a moisturizer, but for acne as well. So this is really, really great and I have been loving this. Okay, next we're going to move on to two hair care products. So this is the OGX, I think, Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco Penetrating Oil. I picked this up at Walmart. My hair has been kind of frizzy and kind of, I don't know, just not as shiny and smooth as it used to be. I think it's because I got all these blonde highlights done, so I kind of messed up my hair a little bit. So I decided to pick up some argan oil and hopefully get my hair a little healthy again. So I've been using this after I take a shower when my hair is damp. I just put it on the ends. It's been really nice. It's smooth. It smells so good, and you do not need a lot. And you just run it through the ends of your hair, and the next day your hair is going to look so smooth and not frizzy and just, ugh, this is awesome. And the other hair care item I've been loving, everyone talks about this. This is the Batiste Shampoo Sassy and Daring Wild. I love this scent of this one, so this is the one I tend to go and look for because I just love the scent of this, and this stuff is awesome. Get rid of all the oil in your root volume too. When you spray this in your hair and you rub it in, you're gonna see your roots just go boop like this. If you have not tried this yet, go buy it. It's super inexpensive and it's such a good product. I just can't. I love it. Body spray from Bath & Body Works. This is the Violet Lily Sky fragrance mist. I don't know if they still have this because when I went they were having an all-out sale, so they might not have this anymore, but I'm not really that good at describing scents, but it's like a clean, fresh, flowery scent, but then it's sort of sweet as well. And you can tell I've been using the crap out of this because look how much I have left. Ugh, I just love this, and if they have it, I would totally go get it. I mean, it's not too sweet and it's not too floral, it's just perfect. I have a candle from Bath & Body Works. This is Summer Boardwalk. I am just, oh, it's so good. I love cake, candy, any sweet treat smelling candles. I just love it. This smells like you are walking in a carnival and you're smelling like funnel cake being baked. It smells delicious. It smells like every carnival food you could ever want. And ugh, I love the way this makes my room smell. I feel like I'm at a carnival. Let me read the description at the bottom. Like memories of the best summer spent at the beach, caramel glazed popcorn, warm taffy apples, and salted sweet cream. That's pretty much this in a nutshell. That's better than what I just said. So if you like those kinds of scents, this is amazing. I love it. Okay, and the very last favorite for July is this precious little baby right here. I just got the gold iPhone 5S. I had an iPhone 4, so it was about freaking time for me to get an upgrade because that phone was just, ugh, it was slow and laggy and just, it was time to go. So I am obsessed with my gold iPhone 5S. I just got it. So you know I'm going to be going case crazy buying cases for this thing. But can we just look at this case that I have on my phone right now? It's holographic and it's a little kitten. And look at this. It's a vampire kitten. Heck yes. The reason I got this case, I know it's kind of creepy if you're not into that sort of thing, but I totally am. I got this case because I have a cat. His name is Romeo, and he's a Blue Russian mix, and he has fangs, and he likes to bite. Not bite like being mean and hissing at you or anything, but just like a bite where just to say hi. So this totally reminded me of my cat, so I had to get this It's holographic, it's cute, but freaking awesome at the same time. So you could say I am obsessed with this baby right here. And let me see, I think I have a picture of my cat. Yeah, that's a picture of my cat on my lock screen, and he's laying on my bed, and I edited it and everything. He is my baby, and I just love him. So that is all of my July favorites. Sorry, I haven't posted a video. I had this tooth problem, and I couldn't talk, and I couldn't eat properly. And I finally got them taken out, and it just feels kind of weird right now because I have like holes in my mouth, but I feel much better, and more videos will be coming at you, so look forward to that. I'm thinking of doing some back to school stuff, and you know, since summer is almost ending, getting into those dark fall looks that I love oh so much. I also forgot to mention that this palette, I have these colors on my eyes right now, so if you were wondering, that is what's on my eyes, this right here. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. But yeah, that is my July favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.